It's recording, Jesse.
Okay. It's a beautiful snowy day, and it's cold. And there's tons of snow. Looks like white paradise. And
So what happened with Shay Carl's book today?
he what's it called again?
#1 in Canada?
#1 in
Your
Canada.
producer's trying to give you the #1.
#1 in Canada. Yeah.
Congratulations, Shay Carl and Shay Tart.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll leave you alone.
Okay. Yeah, and I really like the Shay Tarts. They are awesome. And I only have like 5-6 videos because I'm new on YouTube. But I don't really care. And kind of heard it. What was that? Oh, cat kicked a can. Back, 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 beep, beep. Oh. What are you looking at, camera? Jump. Hello. That's basically.
So Jesse, how are the roads today?
Horrible. I don't know.
We're filming.
Tell Dad to get you a skidoo.
Okay. They're basically stuck.
Bye. Bye, random car that we don't know.
Okay, just stop. I'm really okay, by the way. Okay, now I think let me stand back for a minute. Bye bye.